Hi guys, I have a fun game that you can play. Let's follow me. Are you ready guys? Let's go! Okay, what should we choose first? What if animals that around us? Yeah, dog is the right choice. Let's begin. First, let's coloring the bowl. What should we pick color first? Okay, let's begin from red colors. Yellow. Green.
Great!
Blue. Now, let's coloring the dog house.
Whee!
What the best color for dog house? Okay, it's a great color. Let's coloring with yellow. Brown. Black. Now let's coloring the dog. Black.
Nice!
Orange. Now the cloud. What the color is cloud? Great! Blue. And the sky? What the color of sky? Great! Blue.
That was awesome!
And the last is grass. You're right. Green. Yay, we have done. Subscribe for continue next picture, right? See you next video.